All right, hello. I'm just going to do a quick pumpkin soup. So this is just your everyday pumpkin soup recipe from the basic cookbook. We have our ingredients and our instructions there, and I'm just going to go start cooking. So one brown onion, approximately 180 grams. Now, it actually doesn't show me the scales because it's approximate. I'm actually going to throw the scales on, which I can do from the three dots on the right-hand side. Lovely, 170, close enough. Next, insert our measuring cup. So 3 seconds, speed 5. Let's dial it up. Okay, so scrape down the sides of the bowl. Let me just grab it. Oh, a spatula. Okay, I always scrape around the bowl. Tap on the inside. So then it says 20 grams of butter, but I am right next to my olive oil, so I'm actually going to do olive oil. Place the simmering basket on top. And then it's 3 minutes, speed 1. Oops. There we go. So while that's doing that, I'm going to talk about our pumpkin and different things that you can do. So I actually chop my pumpkin and leave the skin on it. Yes, seriously, I leave the skin on a butternut pumpkin. And I also pop the seeds in, but of course we use the other half of the pumpkin already, and we use the seeds. So not today, but I always do, because you can use the whole of the pumpkin, and because it purees at the end, I'm not going to tell, not one bit, that there is skin and seeds inside. So it says 1 carrot, but I've actually got a bit of a 2 pathetic little carrots there. And things that you can do with pumpkin soup is mix it up. So at the start, you could maybe do pop some lemongrass in, or at the end, I pop in like a whole bunch of coriander. I know some people freak out about coriander, not me, obviously. Or you could make it into a curried pumpkin soup. There's all sorts of ideas. Even swirl in some pesto at the end, basil, just anything you like. It's really versatile, and you don't have to have the same thing every time. You can make it thicker if you want by putting in less water. Oh my goodness, all the things, all the things. So I'm just doing this as a quick video because we've already done a virtual tonight, and I'll just show you what we've made. So we made sunshine bread in a bundt tin. So that has cheese and bacon on it. And I also made some honeycomb that I'm going to break up and put into a airtight container for later. So that was fun. All right, 37 seconds to go. Now I also have my stock paste. It lasts 6 months in the fridge. I just put mine in plastic. So long as you use a clean spoon every time, it lasts 6 months in the fridge. All right, 18 seconds to go. So this recipe is actually quite similar to the stock recipe, whereas you put your veg in, you chop it, you cook it, and then you puree it at the end. So if you were to want an advanced lesson, if you upgrade your Thermomix, but you still wanted to cook something at delivery, we would do the pumpkin soup instead. So 500 grams of pumpkin, peeled and cut into pieces. I might even have enough for 2 soups. Yep. Take one of those out. So 512, close enough. 1 carrot cut into pieces. Obviously, like I said, 2 pathetic carrots. Insert our measuring cup. So then while it chops for a good 15 seconds, I'm going to fill my water jug up. There we go, speed 7. Pretty quick. And I can hear that it's actually finished. All right, then scrape down the sides, but I will show you what it looks like after just 15 seconds. Yeah, check that out. All right. So scrape that on the sides, and then also whack it on the inside. Don't forget to scrape down our lid. Oh. You want all of the ingredients and all of the flavour in there. Wipe on the side, tap on the inside. Next, 500 grams of water. I am going to put in maybe 450 because we actually like it a little bit thicker. 460, close enough. A tablespoon of our veggie stock. Nice heaped tablespoon. We want flavour. There we go. Then we want to put the simmering basket on top. 20 minutes, 100. It wants me to go to speed 1. It shows me where speed 1 is, and it won't let me go past speed 1 to start. And then I'm actually going to, let's turn it on. I'm going to pause because you don't want to be me standing here for 20 minutes. I'm going to pause the recording and come back. Alrighty, see you in a minute. Alrighty, so our cooking is finished. So to stop the chiming, I have just you can press the screen next or the button. So then next, pour in the whipping cream. I'm not going to do that. Insert the measuring cup into the mixing bowl. I have already done that. And then 1 minute, and we want to go up to speed 9. It says go to speed 5 and then increase gradually to 9. So I'm actually going to go slow the whole way. So half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7. This is actually probably a bit faster than I normally do. All right, and that's it. So then next, bit of salt, bit of pepper. I'm just going to use my electric one. I actually have usually mill my own salt and pepper, but I've put them down somewhere. I'm going to put a bit of extra pepper in. And that's it. Let me show you. Tip that down a little. That's how smooth it is. You cannot tell that there's skin, obviously not seeds this time, but skin and seeds in your soup. Alrighty, have fun. Bye.